Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Tuesday at XRP's 14th birthday. We're actually going to dive into today, what is XRP, how does it compare to Bitcoin, and that's with Blockchain Academy, brought to you by Uphold. We also have a bunch of news to get into today, guys. What is new as Bitcoin is dipping down to our 2021 levels to watch that we've been talking about for so long. What is next for Bitcoin? We got some Mt. Gox news. Unfortunately, we also have SUI. The devs are coming to fix the SUI blockchain. And guys, it's just craziness today, I have to say. It is craziness. So if you guys are ready for the Zest, the news, the education, please smash a like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends, support people, know what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and our subscriber goal. Where's my subscriber goal? There we go. Our subscriber goal is right here, guys. We have 121 subscribers away from 26,000 subscribers on YouTube. So please, if you have not yet, go to YouTube. If you're on TikTok, if you're on X, if you're anywhere else that's not YouTube, please go to YouTube and subscribe. You guys could tell today's crazy by the volume of my hair. I had to tame it and put some glasses on for some IQ maxing. And so thank you guys again for being here. Say good morning to me in this chat. I just want to know that you're here and that everyone has relocated. I had a little technical difficulty and the stream rebooted. So yeah, I'm gonna put up a new poll for you. Do you hold XRP? You guys could go answer that. Put some XRP emojis because it's XRP's birthday today. And again, we'll go into the history of XRP and things of that nature. Okay, so guys, let me say good morning to you as you say good morning to me, and check out our amazing 3 sponsors of the show, including Cake Wallet, Market, Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. And then go up to the moon with Uphold. Like I said, Blockchain Academy is coming at you today. What's up, BBB? Nice to see you. I know. Silver Days, good morning. We got Mike Volmer. We got Dave Bowles. Nice to see you. Rudy Poo, Ace K, Andy S, Noodle. Are my eyes deceiving me right now? Did Noodle make it over here? Whoa. You know what, Noodle? I've been thinking lately. I've been thinking. Who else is here? We got Peace Bear, Hoofty Floof, Ray K, Fitz, good morning. Black Hat, good morning. Black Hat, I'm still looking for it, dude. Still looking for it. He knows what I'm talking about. Yukio, Mike Mazzone, and Ken is on X. Hello, Ken. Gary, good morning. We got Terry B, good morning. Chipper, John Legend has all his emojis. Ort Manent, good morning. I feel like that one just like, it trips me up. Ort Manent. Lock it in. All right, guys, let's get after it. Why do we never know the results of the polls? Because I forget about them, but you guys could remind me of the polls. All right, guys, if you have not yet, support the channel and become a member. You can hit the little $sign emoji in the YouTube live chat so that way you can get access to all the cool member emojis. If you guys are members, throw in your member emojis in the chat. Throw your member emojis in the chat because it's zesty. And then you get access to members only after shows that happen on Wednesdays and Fridays. Okay. We're going to pop wolf, guys. I'm excited. Guys, oh, you guys like the boop. You guys like boop, 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 boop. boop the like, boop. So Ian is really awesome. Really briefly, I know I'm sidetracking for a second. Before I get into Bitcoin price, so Ian in our Discord, he always sends the funny moments of the stream as he deems them, and in GIF form or video form. And when he sends the video forms, I keep them and I put them into like compilations. So there's gonna be another compilation coming at you, thanks to Ian. So shout out to Ian. All right, guys, let's get into the Zest. Again, we have 121 subscribers away from 26,000. Help your girl out. Let's get 26,000 subs. Jesse, a member for 17 months. He said 17 months. Love you, Randy. Right back at you, fam. Thank you for being here. All right, guys, let's get into the market recap. We got Leb, our bigger gainer today, up about 43%. Let me drag her over. There you go. ICP is actually making a move. Very, very interesting. $3 ICP. In my mind, I just always remember $10 ICP. Like, for some reason, that is just like something that remains in my noggin. Mike Volmer, what's up? Member for 27 months, guys. It's 2 years. He said, Randy is the best. I think you're the best. I think you. I think you. Okay, so looking at Bitcoin, guys, we have Bitcoin going below the 68K mark, or just at it right now. This is like my little clean chart just to give you a little perspective. It kind of goes back to our 2021 cup and handle. Well, it was an extended cup and handle. This was like a 3-year cup and handle. If I'm gonna go zoom out on this. So sorry, guys, about the illustration, and it's just like I have to fit the chart the right way so it looks good. But to highlight it and make it easier, I saw low-key a cup and handle stretching from that 2021 to 2024. And then we actually saw this handle play out. Again, you guys could go back, watch the stream during this time of like February to about May to October of 2024. Like you could watch how this whole thing just filled in. So we got to the bottom of about our handle. Again, this is an approximate drawing. And then it just freaking launched. Like Bitcoin launched. So the critical levels that you should be looking at, again, it goes back to our 52 to 54K scenario. Because if you pull it back, that is the bottom of our handle from back here. Again, this is a cup and handle formation that took over 3 years to do. And then again, like 54K could be the bottom. 52 to 54K, if we really went there, could be the bottom. However, again, I don't give financial advice. This isn't a price prediction. This is just levels on the chart, right? So again, we're at $68,688. We're down 3.7%. Guys, what is happening? Are you losing your noodles too? Put your noodles in the chat. If you are losing your noodles, put a noodle in the chat. I need to know why people are scared. Are you scared? Are you losing it? Are you losing it? So looking over here, we have now that 67.5 that we're looking at. Again, why are the 67, 69K levels significant? We're going back to 2021, boys and girls. 2021, we had that highest daily candle close of that quote unquote bull market, 67K, 67.5. The wick high was that famous 69K mark. So going back to today's time, a million years later, look at us back at it again. If we don't hold support at this 67.5, I think we're going back to this wick low at 60. Everyone could tell me yes or no. I don't freaking care. But that's just the level on the chart that I've just been telling you about for months on top of months on top of months. And then below that, if we go below 60, everyone and their mother gets liquidated. Cheap Bitcoin comes through. Oh my word, if I was a millionaire, I'd be scooping. But that's just me. Then we're looking at 52K. Again, because it does date back right here. You can see even most recently in February 2024, where once we got through that 52K resistance, bam, bam, we went right to the 60s again. Almost right to the 75K mark, actually. So that's what you should be looking at, guys. 60K, if we break below that, you're looking at maybe 52, 54, but that's a stretch, guys. This is a stretch. People could be, obviously panicking. This could be the final wipeout where it goes back to maybe 67K, find support. We never see below it again. I don't know. But I always give you the bullish and the bearish case. Now, on the bullish side, because we talked a lot of bearish today, 71K, 73. Those are the levels you gotta hold support back at 73. You gotta. There was a comment on TikTok, but it just moved too fast past me, so I couldn't see it. Adam says making history this year in crypto. I would say we always make history. We're a very zesty squad. We do have a red dot printed on this momentum that's pulling us down right now. It's weighing us down. That VWAP being so bearish is scary, obviously, and we don't like that. We don't like that. And so we have the money flow that is ticking down as well. This oversold, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We're official. Guys, Blockchain Academy, we're below that 30 line. This pink line I put right here is the 30 line. Below the 30 line, that means you are oversold, which means the likelihood of number go up, which means Bitcoin could move up very soon. The last time we were at this level of oversold was back here in February, guys. February. Before February, back here about February of 2025. Guys, looking at February, where were we? When the RSI was this low, we were looking at 60K, that wick low. Even before that, February of 2025, we were also right here. Hold on. February, we were fiddling around at 97K. Took a dip down to 75, went right up to all-time highs. Yep. Charles Payne needs me. That's funny. Charles Payne is the best, and he always has my back. That I know for sure. Bit Billy says, just buy everyone. I missed buy Rose. What's Rose? Who's Rose? I done lost my I can't. Legendary God King, good morning. Everybody, good morning. Are you bullish or are you bearish on Bitcoin? If you are bullish, I want to see rocket emojis. If you are bearish, I want to see rain emojis, like doom and gloom. I want to know. I need people to just give me unsolicited opinions. BBB, Human Protocol was insane. Oh, Human. Okay, I could actually, that's probably going to be in our gainers or losers, right? Yep. It's down 20% today. Yep. We'll look at that in a little bit too. All right, guys, we're going to go into breaking news headlines. Everyone is in fear. I just had to show you this headline too. It says Bitcoin back in distribution phase as extreme fear grips the market. Guys, I don't know about you, but I don't feel extreme fear. I don't see that. I don't see extreme fear. A 28-month rose. Check the chat. I didn't see that. Oh, there it is. Why didn't that pop up on the screen, or I just didn't see it? Thank you for the rose. 28 months is a really long time. Okay. But yeah, guys, the extreme fear, I don't feel the extreme fear. I don't know. Maybe I'm just like indestructible and I have no emotion at this point when it comes to Bitcoin because I'm just here for the long haul. The fear index, I could go check the fear index for you. It is at 29. So it's like, you know, there's red and then there's orange and then yellow is like the neutral. So we're at like orange right now. We're like mid-orange. I just don't feel like it's scary right now. I don't feel the fear. That's just me. I just don't feel the fear. I don't feel it. I think I'm indestructible. But what about the Clarity Act? Is it going to be smashed in like a little window? Breaking news headline starts now. The debates on the Clarity Act are continuing. The Senate is returning. Are we going to actually get just clarity on the Clarity Act? I just don't know. There's too many debates. There's too many politics taking place here and a lot of banker money floating around. But the U.S. Senate consideration of the Clarity Act is likely to resume as members reconvene this week after a Memorial Day holiday. So this bill, again, is supposed to give more clarity. And the chief policy officer at Coinbase said this would be the biggest financial regulatory bill that Congress has done in quite some time. And then also Jamie Dimon had to open his mouth on Friday, said that the banking industry would not accept the Clarity Act as written. But too bad, so sad. It's not all about you, Jamie. It's not all about you. Are you upset, Jamie Dimon? You upset? Sorry, I'm just trolling today. But this is happening, the Clarity Act. You'll see a lot of headlines coming your way with that. And if you are in Japan, because actually, if you look on X, and especially the Good Morning Post, we have Japanese besties that follow us. If you're Japanese, put it in the chat. I love the Japanese besties. So apparently, the Japanese ruling party, Japan is getting spicy. They're kind of diving into crypto ETFs, also yen-based stablecoins. So just like the US has the dollar, Japan has the yen. And don't confuse it with China that has the yuan. So the yen is Japan. And so take a look at this. So Japan should create a legal framework for trading crypto ETFs. The ruling Liberal Democratic Party, the LDP, says, according to reports. A party panel on promoting blockchain tech submitted the proposal to Finance Minister Satsuki Katayama, also saying that the state should promote the usage of yen-based stablecoins. According to the proposal, crypto ETFs would provide investors with easy-to-understand ways of investment. Also, they would be jumping in, joining the fray with US, Hong Kong, with these ETFs as well. And so Japan might get more bullish on crypto, and that is incoming. We also know in South Korea, they are big, whatchamacallit fans, XRP fans. Where's my brain today? I think it's because the next headline has Stellar XLM in it, because MoneyGram is doing something very interesting where they're launching a stable coin on Stellar on XLM, and this was very interesting, a very interesting choice. And again, MoneyGram, do we really need MoneyGram in the digital age? I don't know, but you do see Western Unions and the MoneyGrams of the world starting to change their tune, make stable coins, and actually integrate crypto, because they have to keep up or else they're literally going to be obsolete. And that might just happen anyway. But I am bullish on when they know they have to change, because it's a good business move. They got to take what they can get while they can get it. MoneyGram announced on Tuesday they launched their own US dollar-backed stablecoin on XLM, joining a growing wave of global payments companies and banks building products around digital dollars. Their stablecoin is going to be MGUSD, embedded into their app, allowing customers to hold a dollar-denominated balance in a self-custodial wallet, period, clock that, and transfer funds through their global payments network. So again, they're saying you could hold your own crypto, but it's going to go through our exclusive blockchain payment rail. That is so savage of them, I have to say. You know, I got to say they are being smart. They are being smart. They have over 60 million customers. Over 60 million. So this is what they said in relation to the stablecoin. This is the CEO and chairman, Anthony Suhu. Reminds me of Yoo-hoo. Hold on. Do you guys know Yoo-hoo? You guys know Yoo-hoo real quick. The chocolate milk. Sir Yoo-hoo. Anyway, sorry. I'm just on a Delulu mode today. So Anthony Suhu, chairman and CEO of MoneyGram, said, starting with our distribution platform, we're using stablecoins as a foundation to build future applications on our global network. MGUSD is the stablecoin we built for our customers, for the families sending money home, and for the billions of people around the world with limited financial access. And so Stellar Development Foundation CEO Danelle Dixon said Stellar was built for this, and MGUSD is the next milestone that demonstrates what purpose-built blockchain can deliver when paired with trusted payment networks. Gotta say, this is a good proof of concept for them, and I hope it works out. So we're gonna also take a look at XLM today, show you some chartery for XLM, because the chart is very, very interesting right now. I don't know if you guys buy XLM. If you buy XLM, put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Let me know your thoughts on this. Chalky milk, I know. So look over here, 23-cent XLM. So what we're seeing right now, hold on, let me bring this out. There we go. Is that we have not seen this level of 37.5-ish cents. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is 37.5-ish cents. We haven't seen it since October of 2025. We failed to hold support here at 25 cents, went basically all the way back down to about 13. And so we did test the 200-day SMA quite recently within the last week, had an absolute take-off. And it seems like today we are still pulling back despite this MoneyGram news. Even yesterday, we didn't really see a lot. Maybe some people knew beforehand what was happening. Who knows? However, if we do remain above this 200-day SMA and we hold support at 25 cents, we could be looking good. If we reject the 200-day SMA again, we're looking back at that 17-cent XLM. Those are your levels to watch. Also, guys, I just want to address the SUI thing really quick. And so SUI is a big blockchain. They had downtime after downtime. It was too much downtime. It was like 3 days of shenanigans. And it was down for over 24 hours. That is absolutely buck wild to me. And so the devs had to go fix it. I don't know how I feel about this. The big thing for me is if we're going to tokenize our money, our assets, whether that be real estate deeds, medical records, stocks, whatever, it needs to be on reliable technology. And if the devs got to go fix it, I just don't see why this why it just continues. You know what I mean? I just don't have the utmost trust. Not to say the tech isn't that good, not to say that the people behind this are bad people. I'm just saying the fact that I just want to make sure my money is secure, which is why I love Bitcoin, which is why I love Litecoin, because Litecoin has never gone down. So the SUI Foundation claims a major upgrade did fix the bugs behind 3 major outages. Again, this is something I just wanted to address because a lot of people were asking me about it. So they said they made a major upgrade to the addresses or to address the issues that caused 3 outages. Again, left the blockchain down for more than 15 hours across 2 days. Thursday's outage was 6 hours, 2 more on Friday. The first was 8 hours and 25 minutes. The second one was 43 minutes. That is too long. And so apparently they have all the validators that address the matter and it's all fixed and it's patched up. It gives me Solana vibes from a few years ago. Speaking of years ago, why are we still talking about Mt. Gox like a million years later? Like this was like basically like half my life ago, and I think we should be over it by now. But people are still very concerned about where Mt. Gox is moving their Bitcoin. They did move $739 million worth of Bitcoin to new addresses as their repayments deadline nears. Guys, who freaking cares? Like, they move their Bitcoin all the time. Why are we panicking about this? They always move their Bitcoin. It's not like they do anything with it. Like, it says defunct Bitcoin exchange in Mt. Gox moved 422.65 Bitcoin, worth roughly $739 million to a new wallet. It's the single largest transfer in months. And who cares? Guys, it's okay. Yes, because it's administrative transfers that preceded creditor distributions, and none of the coins have yet been forwarded to a custody provider or an exchange. Keep calm, huddle on, guys. They're just doing address management. Like, this happens all the time. So everyone needs to chill. You need to chill. Yes, guys, hit the boop button, hit the like, boopy, boopy, boopies, hit the like, and give me love, please. I want love today. I don't know if I feel a lot of it. I don't know. We only have 33 likes. Besties. I think I need heart emojis in the chat, or else I can't survive. If I don't get heart emojis, I'm done. I'm leaving. Especially you guys on TikTok, go to YouTube and drop me a heart because I need to see the love in the YouTube chat. That's where I need it. That's where I need it the most. It's where I freaking need it the most. Also, please subscribe to the channel, guys. If you are on anywhere that's not YouTube, 120 subs away. And we are going to be at 26,000 subscribers. We are trying to scratch and claw at the YouTube sub pool to get more subscribers so that way we can spread Bitcoin and crypto adoption throughout the freaking world. Imagine a world with Bitcoin and crypto adoption, or maybe even an XRP debit card that you could earn up to or over 3% back on your purchases. And today is actually the XRP anniversary. Welcome to Blockchain Academy. Trade, exchange, and spend all in one place. on uphold.com/Randy. Go sign up ASAP, besties, because today is XRP's 14th birthday. We're going to dive into XRP, how it compares to Bitcoin, just to give you guys an easier perspective to look at it. But this morning, as you can see, I did go and try actually a new cafe, which is high-key fire. They made a homemade vanilla bean syrup. Love it. And then they mixed it and made a cold foam for me. Oh my word. It was absolutely fantastic. But you know what? I earn rewards because of XRP debit card on Uphold, guys. Why are we not using our money to our advantage? You're spending the money. Might as well earn better than cash back, crypto back. Because you know what? It's real. It's real. Not points back. Oh my gosh, points back. No. Oh my God, thank you guys for all the hearts. I appreciate it. I want to see all the hearts. I want to see more. Never stop. And so go ahead and check out that post if you want to go support it. But go get your XRP debit card. It literally takes you 2 seconds to go and get. So with that, again, there's no credit hit on that. It's a debit card, so it's a little bit different than usual. And even their new Exa credit card from Uphold, there's no credit check on that either. So you literally go on the app. Once you sign up, you go on the app. You'll see like icons for both of the cards. You can like literally just click sign up and it's done. And it's done in less than a minute. It's super simple once you have the app. But use uphold.com/Randy to get it done. And so Bitcoin versus XRP. What is the difference, guys? I pre-wrote it for you, so it was a little bit cleaner and less messy. So XRP, let's lock in, besties. Let's lock in. So Bitcoin versus XRP. Bitcoin was created in 2009. XRP was 2012. Again, 12 was 14. Now we got 2026, you know. That's why today's the 14th birthday. Bitcoin's creator is anonymous. However, XRP is Ripple's coin. Bitcoin is kind of looked at as digital gold, whereas XRP is more of like a bridge currency, crypto to banks, banks to banks, making all the payment methods easier, faster. Using XRP, they aim to be like the new Swift. Then Bitcoin is a little bit slower with its transactions because the block times are 10 minutes. So it's like basically 10 plus minutes. We've tried to send Bitcoin on the show. It took a long time. 10-minute block time here, where your transactions on XRP are about 3 to 5 seconds. Bitcoin, for example, has a 21 million coin supply, will never be more than that. However, XRP has 100 billion. There was a pre-mine, whereas Bitcoin, you have to use proof of work, right? So Bitcoin, you have to work, put in energy via miners and computers to go ahead and get rewarded with Bitcoin. However, with XRP, it was not like that. It has a completely different consensus mechanism, and it had a pre-mine. There's about 60 plus billion XRP out there, and Ripple does own a lot of the majority of it. We also do not know how much the executives own, but that is a different point. Bitcoin's fees are a little bit higher depending on how crowded the network or congested or how much the network is being used that day compared to XRP. It's fractions of a penny for fees. Bitcoin is decentralized. XRP is clearly more centralized because of the ownership, where it came from, and even the network. So there you go. That is the difference between Bitcoin and XRP. If someone wants to go take a little pic of this, here you go. We good? Here you go for TikTok if you guys want to take a picture. If you guys want to take a picture, even though it is mirrored on there, but you could take a screenshot and still flip it around. Okay. So that was your difference. There's a scammer in the room. Guys, my mods, can you please get rid of the scammer in the room? Thank you. But there you go. That is your difference between Bitcoin and XRP. And that is your Blockchain Academy for the day. Member for 31 months. Holy darn. That is crazy. You're almost at the 3-year. He says, Miss Tribal Chief. Thank you, John Legend. I appreciate you. Let's go. Professor Randi, can I go to the bathroom? Is it an emergency? I mean, only if it's an emergency. Like, you really just don't want to miss the rest of class. You know what I mean? You really don't. But you got to let me know if it's an emergency. I mean, are you not feeling well? Do we need to call your parents? I mean, tell me how serious this is getting. Tell me how serious. Delulu mode. Delulu mode is here. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much. We are popping off today. I'm happy you guys are here. Thank you for watching Blockchain Academy. Please smash the like, subscribe, smash the like, smash the like. Andy, what's up, bro? What's up, everyone? I don't know if I'm seeing everybody's questions. Yeah, I know. That's why you got to take a screenshot and flip it, or go to YouTube. You got to go to YouTube. YouTube is the better experience. TikTok refuses to go to YouTube, and it hurts my heart sometimes. It really does. Please smash the like. We are going to go over our coins to watch really quick, and then we're going to continue to pop off and go be zesty individuals for the day. Oh, shoot, I cut that early, my bad. Gainers and losers, guys. ICP is up 14%, leading the way for the gainers. We're at $3.14. If you guys want me to go look at the ICP chart, please let me know in the chat. NEAR is up 13%. WorldCoin is up 12%. We got Memecore up about 11%. And then we got Render up 9.4%. Also, losers, Humanity, as BBB did point out earlier, yikey poos. Wow, look at that. Down 22%. Stable is not so stable, down 11.8%. Stellar, again, we just went over that. It is down today. We do have a Siren down 7.9%. And then we do have Monero, poor Monero, down 5.2%. Oh no, Bitcoin, no! Monero, no! Everything. Hold on, I have a sound for this.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Freaking love that sound. Oh my god, that cracks me up. That freaking cracks me up. But guys, we are getting after it today. We're going to take a brief look at Ethereum because Ethereum is losing it a little bit. Guys, we did not hold support at $2,000. As we can clearly see, we're at $1,950 ETH. We're down 2.65%. Again, we've been looking at this level of 1850 for quite a while. I do feel like we could go down there. Again, your bearish level below that is 1556. However, if we go back up, support at 2K is held. We're going to look at 2170. Those are our levels to watch there with little Ethy. Poor little Ethy. And Litecoin, guys, is below that $50. We're at $48. Litecoin down 4%. Again, looking low at 43. And again, if we are excited, if we live in Europe or you want to go to Europe, you want an excuse to go to Europe, hang out with me, brothers and sisters, because we are going to Litecoin Summit. Guys, in 20 days, this starts 20 days. Guys, can you believe 20 days? 20 days. 20 days. Guys, I'm going to be in Amsterdam soon. Is this insane? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. This is so exciting, guys. We have Litecoin Summit June 22nd to the 23rd. You could go get your tickets, $84. You get 2 Litecoin Summit days, every session, every panel, and then you get workshops, an exhibitor, a networking area, beverages, my favorite thing in the world, which is coffee, and you could just be a very happy camper, and it's literally like $84, and you could come hang out with me in Amsterdam. Would you guys want to go hang out with me in Amsterdam? Yeah? Yeah? Did you guys just hear me? Oh my gosh. My bad. Also, Amsterdam, enjoy. Thank you. How many bags of luggage? I think, I think I'm going to bring one. I think I'm going to bring one big luggage, my carry-on, and a backpack. because I was told, because listen, guys, you guys know I like to pack my whole life. You guys know I like to know I have everything with me. However, I was told don't bring a lot because in Europe the fashion's a little different, and you could get like really cheap but really nice clothes out in Europe. I don't know if that's cap or not. So my Europeans, please go in Discord and let me know if I'm a little delulu or if I should just bring a million suitcases like I want to bring. So yeah, I will be vlogging for you guys. Sorry, there's moisture here. I will be vlogging for you guys while I'm in Amsterdam and in Europe. I'm starting in Amsterdam. I don't know where I'm going after that. You sound like an organized woman. I am an organized woman. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, my house is very in order. I like my schedule, my work schedule is very in order. I like what I'm packing. I need to visualize what I'm doing every day. Like, I'm just so crazy. I'm a little delulus. You know, I'm a little delulus. Anyone that goes and like goes away with me or vacations with me, like they know I pack everything. They do. A lady traveling with only one luggage is the wonder of the world. I know. It's an absolute astonishing thing. And I just don't know if I'm gonna make it happen. I know I'm gonna get yelled at. Like, my friends are gonna be like, Randi, what are you doing? And I'm gonna be like, I need to have everything. But I know that's not the way life works. I have to live on the edge a little bit. I gotta live on the edge. Maybe we could do a fashion fund. We'll create a fashion fund. And we'll see what happens. But Zepp in the chat says, see you in Amsterdam. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Oh, you guys reminded me about the poll. Do you hold XRP? I want to see XRP emojis everywhere. According to the poll, let's reveal the poll results. According to the poll, do you hold XRP? 52% of you guys said yes. 48% of you said no. That is actually a really, really crazy ratio. That's basically 50-50. Wow. Wow. Randi vlogs will be early in the morning, y'all. I mean, I'm going to try, like, my aim is to try to post on Eastern time frames, whether that's me actually scheduling it or being up late and posting midday Eastern. I'm gonna try to remain on the same posting schedule. Put a suitcase in a suitcase. You know how psycho I am? When I went to New York, I knew I was gonna be walking around that high school, so I had a backpack and a carry-on. I put a backpack in the backpack. And so when I got to the school, I took the spare backpack out and put just what I needed for the class in the backpack and walked around the school with that and left my other backpack and my luggage in the main office because they were gonna watch it for me. So I do pack bags and bags. Bags and bags and bags, actually. If only you guys knew. Maybe I should do like a packing vlog because I kind of pride myself on my packing abilities. I'm not going to lie to you. I kind of do. Anyways, guys, I'm bullish on you. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I'm bullish on everything in the world. Guys, go sign up for uphold.com/Randi. Get your XRP debit card. Get your extra credit card. Get your cards. And earn rewards. Like, why are we not earning rewards? If you could if you're spending the money, make some money back. Like, there's no harm, no freaking foul. No credit checks, no nothing. Use it everywhere Visa's accepted. These travel fees, throw them out the window. Like, we're all about convenience here. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you. If you have not yet, make my heart the most warm, flutteriest, woo-woo heart ever. And smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. We're on the road to 26,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to get there. Have a beautiful day. Happy Tuesday. Tomorrow, we are going to pop off, and you guys are going to come in this chat. We're going to rate it. We're going to get 1 million likes, and you guys are going to have the best time in our members-only Discord chat. So become a member, so that way you guys can go in the Discord and hang out with us on Wednesdays. So have a beautiful day. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah. Peace.